Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about GBPUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders by looking at what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is clearly range bound. In fact, the market from a monthly standpoint is stuck in a range in between these quite two important levels. We have the high here of the range sitting at this zone, and we have the bottom here of this range currently sitting at this zone. Now, until the market will remain in between these two levels, we can expect more horizontal price action to be created. In fact, if we look closely, we can see how already the high has held the market as resistance in multiple occasions, and we can see how, of course, the same thing holds true also for the bottom, which already in multiple occasions has held the market as support. So at the moment, we have a market which is stuck in between these two levels, and as I just said, until the market will remain in between these two levels, more horizontal price action could be expected. Now, of course, what you expect is the market to alternate in between these two levels, so to test first the high and then the low of these two levels. And since the last test was, of course, of the high of the range, the next logical step would be for the market to go and test the low of the range. So let's keep that in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, there is one important thing that we have to keep in mind. In fact, what we can see is that the rejection to the downside was quite aggressive. This is the high of the range that we have previously identified. The market tested it and immediately rejected it to the downside quite aggressively. Now, in this case, when you see such a strong correction, this indicates that you have an even higher probability in the long term to actually see the market go and test the low of the range, which we have just identified on the monthly time frame. So on the weekly, more bearish price action could be expected away from this zone. Now that the market has provided a nice correction. In fact, this correction that we see here in this green candle, it is very easy to visualize it here on the daily time frame. In fact, I even spoke about GBPUSD just a few days ago when the market was creating this push to the downside, and explained all the reasons for which from here I was expecting this correction. And that is in fact exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in description that previous analysis, so you can go and check it out for more free education. But just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. At the moment, what do we have? Well, before we dig deeper into this, first, let's go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders. So what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we're looking at the data for the GBP, the first thing that we have to keep in mind is that if we're looking at the data for the GBP, we are already looking at the GBPUSD, because this data is already reported against the USD. And what we can see is that, first of all, in the very short term, net positions have increased. In fact, we went from minus 63K to minus 43K, with 17K longs added to the last report and 3.8K shorts getting closed, which is in fact part of the reasons for which in my previous analysis from here we wanted to see a rejection higher. Institutions were buying, but now we are about to see a new report come out tomorrow. And especially if institutions with a new report will show that now inside of this level, they're adding shorts, that definitely increases the probabilities from here to see at that point a rejection lower, completing a perfect impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside, testing the low of the range that we have just identified on the monthly time frame. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure to join my free Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in the description so you never miss new updates. Now, let's go back to the analysis. As we were saying, if the new report tomorrow will confirm that inside of here, we have even more institutional selling pressure that would increase the probabilities of a potential push lower. So in that kind of situation, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the CO2 data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bullish to a bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection lower away from this area for the market to go and test the low of that monthly range. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same CO2 data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.